Hello guys, in this video we are now going to talk about Anne Marie. In this video we will give you every minor detail about Anne Marie. What is her relationship, net worth, body size, breast size, shoe size, hair colors and every minor detail. So don't go anywhere. We are now taking the complete post-mortem of Anne Marie. So let's start with some quick facts. Celebrated name Anne Marie. Age 29 years. Nickname Anne Marie. Birth name Anne Marie Rose Nicholson. Date of birth 07/04/1991. Gender female. Profession singer. Place of birth East Tilbury, Essex. Nationality British. Birth nation England. Ethnicity mixed. Education Palmer's College. Hair color ice blonde. Eye color blue. Height 5 feet 9 inches. Breast size 33 inches. Waist size 25 inches. Hip size 38 inches. Body build and type average. Shoe size 9 US. Sexual orientation straight. Famous for singer and songwriter. Face color white. Father name Vanny Nicholson. Mother name Susan J. Sweet Thompson. Genre pop, grim and R&B. Weight 63 kg. Favorite food pandan cake. Net worth $1,600,000. Marital status in a relationship. Boyfriend nil. Horoscope Aries. Body measurement 33, 25, 38 inches. Anne Marie Rose Nicholson is professionally known as Anne Marie. Her UK single charts includes Rumor Mill, Do It Right, Alarm, Rockabye, and Kayo Adios. She has been nominated for 4 awards at 2019 Brit Awards, including Best British Female Solo Artist in 2019. She able to grabbed Global Awards and Remarkable Woman Award 2019. When did Anne Marie become famous? An English singer and songwriter, she who was also the winner of various Shotokan karate championships, singing the song Do It Right, which reached 90 on the UK singles chart and was certified gold by the Australian Recording Industry Associations. Where is Anne Marie singer from? So I already talked about that. Anne Marie was born and raised in East Tilbury, Essex, England. Her birth name is Anne Marie Rose Nicholson and the birth sign is Aries. She was born in to British parents named Vanny Nicholson and Susan J. Sweet Thompson. Her mom was from Essex, where her father was from Ireland. Talking about her nationality, Mary is British and belonged to the mixed ethnicity. During her teenage days, she attended Palmer Colleges. As a child, Anne Marie appeared in 2 productions of West End theatres. Furthermore, at the age of 12, she appeared in Whistle Down and Wind along with young Justice J. Moreover, she has been practicing Shotokan karate since she was 9 years old. Moreover, she won double gold in the Funakoshi Shotokan Karate Association World Championship, gold and silver in the Funakoshi Shotokan Karate Association World Championship, as well as gold in the United Kingdom Traditional Karate Federation National Championship. Anne Marie music career. Her professional career as a singer and songwriter began in 2013 as she recorded a solo demo for Rocket Records, A Summer Girl. Further, she guested on track by Magnetic Man, through which she got the attention of Rudimental and English drum and bass band, and soon Anne Marie joined the band, replacing the vocalist of that band. Mary spent 2 years touring alongside them, during which she was featured on 4 tracks on their album We the Generation. And in 2015, she debuted as a single lead artist with the song Karate. The same year, she released her other single, including Gemini Boy and Do It Right. In the following year, she came out with her single Alarm, which grabbed the prestigious certificates like BPI Platinum, Area 2X Platinum, FIMI Gold, and MC Gold. And recently, Mary has released CIO Adios and Either Ways. Aside from her singles, Clean Bandit released their song Rockabye featuring Sean Paul and Anne Marie, which shattered the world. The song received a platinum certification with a sale of more than 1 crore copies. 1 million copies. In 2017, Nick Jonas featured her and Mike Posner in the making of this song. Remember it? I told you. Her next track was her collaboration with Snake Ships titled Either Way on 22 September 2017. She released the single Heavy, followed by Then. In 2018, the British singer songwriter collaborated with Marshmello on the song Friends. On 21 February 2018, Anne Marie announced that her debut album titled Speak Your Mind will be released in April 2018. Released on 27 April, the album featured singles such as Alarm, Ciao, Adios, Cry, and Then. So moving to the next topic, Anne Marie awards and achievements. From her music career, she assumes many nominations and awards. Her some won awards are given below. MTV Brand New 2016, Nordoff Robbins 2 Silver Clef Award 2017, WDM Radio Award 2017, MTV Video Music Award Japan 2018, Global Award 2019, Remarkable Woman Award 2019 and 2019. Is Anne Marie dating someone? Moving into her personal life, Anne Marie is a private person. There is no proper information regarding her boyfriend and affairs. However, in an interview, she said, "I can't say because he is quite well known." This statement gives a hint that she is in a relationship. In her interview, she said, "He is in music. I can't tell you. I honestly can't." According to her interview, it seems as if you fell in love with another musician, as she ceased to say his name because of his fame. So the next topic is, what is Anne Marie net worth? Marie earns an enormous amount of money through her successful career as a singer and songwriter. As of 2019, she has an esteemed net worth of $600,000, as I talked before. However, her annual income and salary are still under review. The English singer is quite active on her social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. She has over 2 million followers on her Instagram, while on Twitter, she has an over of 396K. Body measurement of Anne Marie. Observing her body statistics, she stands a height of 5 feet 9 inches and weight 63 kgs. Similarly, she has a pair of blue eyes and ice blonde hair color. She used to wear 38C US Pro size and 9 US size of shoes. Furthermore, her body measures 33, 25, 38 inches.